mwena wa Lenkai wadi-ini ya Kimana kuri atumia a ndigwa kuma rũrĩrĩ-inĩ rwa UKABI magomanĩte ngurwa thothaitĩ itiganĩte. Mutumia wa uria wari munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri niwe DORCAS RIGATHI agikorwo ekinyitie mwena uyu kunyitanira na atumia aya. Muoroto munene wa kigomano kiu ni kumurika makinya maria thothaitĩ iyo ekinyukitie kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe. Reverend DORCAS agitugiria ikinya riri ria atumia aya.
Seeing you gathered here is a testimony of strength, resilience, and a grace of God. Each one of you represent courage, the courage to rise again, to hope again, and to build again. When we began this journey together some years ago, or you can say days ago, it was just about support in times of need, but about walking, it was about support in times of need, but also it was about walking together, praying together.
DORCAS agathie na mbere na kuga he bata ikundi cia atumia ta aya kuhuragwo njeki niguo mahotage kwirugamirira muturire-ini.
This circle represents unity, discipline, and empowerment. It means saving together, growing together, lifting one another. When challenges come, we can be able to face them head on. It is a tool that will open doors to educate your children, to do business, and to take opportunities that God brings your way. It is a way to dignify your life and to give you independence.
Thothaitĩ icio iria ni Inkorai Olkejuado Widow Sacco na Kajiado Widow Sacco ikinyanĩirie mũbango ũcio ũnyitanĩri-inĩ na mũthikabu John Palit ũrĩa mahithũrĩtie atĩ ũrũmwe wao nĩ ũmagunĩte. Ihinda-inĩ rĩu ningĩ nĩ merũhĩtie mĩhĩtwa ya gũthiĩ na mbere na ũnyitanĩri ũcio ona makĩria.
We have also collaborated and partnered with people of like minds, leaders and well-wishers. We have an office that we have opened, and we have one staff member and a few items in the office, as you have seen. We are not yet there. We have a few challenges that we need to look into.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ciao ya Kĩnuthia.